Today we're killing Jihadi Joe. 180 grains of lead, brought to you by the American Eagle. It's being fed in my Smith & Wesson M&P 40. Doing some tactical training for the On Guard course that I'm about to take. So, right now as I load, nothing's really changed in the last month. Except my location. I'm now in New Hampshire. Been working on the blog. I'll put the link below later on tonight when I upload this video, rather. You'll see it. Alright. One magazine. Locked.
Can't see it. There you go.
Loaded. Pretty next week I'll bring back out my AR-15 Weston. Anything sweet. Power weapons. Oh, I'm gonna stop talking. No. Enjoy my friend's shooting. Just made a mess out of that target.
15 rounds. That's not bad at all. I'll take it.
Yeah. Going live.
I put 2 high outside and 1 real low. Right in the eye.
Bye-bye, Joe. This target's out of Recoil Magazine. Really great issue. Love anything they post, though. But I'm going to be posting this up to them. I'm not doing the time, obviously. It's just for fun. It's a good drill. That's what I'm working on. Let me show you what we're doing. I'm modifying a little bit because it is a handgun versus an AR-15. So I'm using my technique, doing failure drills with it, but as you can tell, I'm hitting pretty good. Got a couple outside, mostly in the designated areas, like right here. Here, there, miss, another miss. Those are 9s, 380s. Definitely not mine. Oh, that's good. Good tape range. This federal ammo looks really good. I like it better than the white box. Works better in my gun for some reason. Whatever. Gun just likes federal ammo.